Hi, welcome to Juristich Academy's YouTube channel. Today we will talk about LLM from MNLU Aurangabad. Now, Maharashtra has three NLUs at Mumbai, Nagpur and Aurangabad. So, Aurangabad MNLU is one of the colleges which offers an LLM program, and in this video we are going to talk about the admission process, the program details, the specializations that MNLU offers, and whether there are any placements for LLM candidates or not. So the first important thing is that this is a one-year LLM, like all other LLMs offered by NLUs at this point, and it is divided into 2 semesters. Then you can also take a look at the total intake of students. Now this keeps changing every year. In the initial years, the strength was a little less, but now they have increased it to 60 students. So you can see that there are different domicile quotas and other quotas available. So if you qualify for any of those, you are requested to fill that up in your CLAT PG applications. Now coming to the fee structure for this course, the fee structure approximately for candidates other than Maharashtra students is around 1,97,825 for the 2023 batch, and there is a different fee structure for Maharashtra students. So you can see all these details on your screen as well as on the website of MNLU. Now coming to the specializations, because whenever you are choosing a LLM college for yourself, the most important thing for you should be the specialization that that college offers and what are your interest areas. So there are 4 specializations which MNLU offers currently. First is in constitutional law, second is in corporate laws, third is personal and family laws, and lastly intellectual property laws. So you can see there are 4 options that you can choose from. Now coming to the admission process, the admission to the MNLU Aurangabad LLM course is through the CLAT PG examination. This exam is held every year in December for the upcoming year. So ideally, if you want to do LLM from India, you should be sitting for CLAT PG exam, because this will open up some 20 plus NLUs for you in terms of their LLM courses. So with this one exam, you can target so many colleges if you are interested in LLM, and also if you want to pursue a job in PSUs or JAG, then also appearing in CLAT PG is mandatory. Now coming to the cutoff trends. So cutoff trends are varying because of the number of seats that has kept on changing in the last 4 years. So now currently the strength has been increased to 60, and that is why you can see that there is a lower cutoff for recent years. So approximately if you get anywhere under All India rank 2500, you will easily be able to get into MNLU Aurangabad through the general seat, at least till the last list of CLAT that are released. Now coming to the placement for LLM candidates. Now this is an area where a lot of tier 2 and tier 3 NLUs do not perform well, because the degree of LLM is not designed for placements, particularly not for corporate placements, but the intention of an LLM degree is going into the academic or research field. So this is why apart from a few tier 1 colleges like NLSIU, NALSAR and UJS, other than that, most other NLUs do not have many placements for LLM candidates. So similarly, MNLU Aurangabad also has no data available. It is also a very recent college, and that is why it is very fair to assume that they do not have an active placement cell for its LLM students as of now. So if you are interested in academics or research, and if you like the specializations which are available at MNLU Aurangabad, then do go for this course. But if your objective is getting a corporate placement, this may not be the best option for you. So with this, we have come to the end of our video. If you liked the video, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.